Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. For those of you returning, welcome back. Today I am going to make some ginger and turmeric shots. I have already peeled my ginger and turmeric. I peeled it with a potato peeler. Just did it here in this water. I like to peel it in water. Underwater is easier for me. It don't go flying everywhere. Some people use a spoon. I've tried it with a spoon. I just prefer the potato peeler better because it's my friend. I use it to peel potatoes. Don't peel stuff with knives. And it just works good for me. So that's what I use. You can do it any way you want to use it. I had to take the skin off because it's not organic. I soaked it in water, vinegar, and baking soda. I actually soaked it overnight. And so what I'm going to do is use my, what is this? Cuisinart. I did a review on this when I first got it. So I leave it in one of those corners. I don't have lemon juice. I'm going to put lemon juice in it. I don't have fresh lemon juice, but I have bottled lemon juice I use for canning. So I'm actually going to use that to can with, and then a little bit of black pepper. Backwards. Black pepper, because you need the black pepper to make the nutrients from the turmeric absorb, so they say. I don't know. That's what they say. So I don't know. Not a doctor or nurse or anything in the medical profession. I got my little cups. So I have my little cups. These bottles, they're 2-ounce bottles. I got these from Amazon. I have boiled them in water with vinegar, roll and boil 15 minutes to sterilize the bottle. Got a pot back there where I had them in. I have 12. I don't know how much this is going to make because I just bought a pack that had turmeric and vinegar in it. Turmeric and vinegar, turmeric and ginger in it. So that's what I'm going to do. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use apple cider vinegar. Same difference. You can use that. It's probably better with the mother. But I have what I have. Use what I have. I do not have a funnel to pour this into. So hopefully I can get this poured in here without spilling it everywhere, but I did put a tray down. You guys can't see that yet because I need to turn y'all down so y'all can see because I don't have a separate camera turned up. I'm just going to tape on my DJI and use my camera, but for some reason my DJI keeps acting crazy and saying the car doesn't work. Then after a while it'll come back on and say it works. I don't know. It keeps disconnecting with the wrong date going back to 2000. Don't know what's going on with it. But anywho, this my stuff. This my, move this out the way because y'all don't need to see that. But that's where I peeled everything. I'll set that to the side. Got the Cuisinart set up. And what I'm going to do, this is not one of those big ones where you can just dump everything in there. So I'm just going to put what I can put in here and call it a day. Probably won't need all 12 of them, but I don't know. But I'm going to use them. I'm going to use everything I have. It's already plugged in. I hope I got it. I should have tested it before I put everything in here. Sometimes you put them little things in there funny and they don't turn on. But hopefully it's in there right. And I got everything except for this one little piece. And smush it down in there. I'm going to have to cut that in half because that's too big. I would love to have one of those Nama or Cure. I don't know, something with a K. But they $600. I'm not paying $600 for that. I'm not. Maybe they'll sponsor me one day. One of them. But this is a slow one too. Macerating, cold press. So you get the same effect. It's just not as, the hopper is small and whatever. But you start, crawl before you can walk. And I'm frugal. So anywho, let's turn this on. So either I don't have it plugged up, I edit it out maybe I won't. But let's throw it all back in here. And then we'll add a little juice to it. Okay. I don't know how much juice I need. But you can add whatever you want. to this. Wrong side. Juice coming out. It's supposed to be closed. Not open. Oh, it is closed. I don't know why I poured out. I lost my juice. Now we're going to put pepper down at the bottom of this. Ain't no measurements, no rhyme or reason. I'm mad about my juice spilling. Because it was mostly turmeric. And 12 bottles will be 24 ounces. Right now, we don't have a 12. So, trying to get the pepper I poured in there out. And we got a big old chunk that's stuck back there. There we go. And we'll pour a little bit more lemon juice in here. And if you want to add something to make it sweet, then by all means do that. I'm not going to do that because this is a health drink. Let me get this up with something other than my dishcloth towel because turmeric stains bad. Really, really bad. I'm doing it backwards so it can get the pup up that's in there. I don't know if y'all can see the pup coming up. And I'm going to pour some of this water down in here. There we go. Let me turn it off for a minute. I need something to pour with. I'm clumsy, y'all. So I can't pour with this because I had this in there. I need something with a sprout. Okay. Let me reverse it again. Still has a lot of pulp. I'm going to let this out. And I'm going to help this work his little self out. Not much pulp. Got a little bit in here. I'm going to tilt it over and get it out. All right. I'm going to, let me see first. I think I almost got 24. Ounces, I think. And these are going to be strong. But they're going to be good for you. And I'm stirring it for the pepper. A little bit of cayenne pepper in these will be good as well. With the lemon. Help burn fat. It's got a little bit of sediments at the bottom. But that's okay. That won't bother me. A little bit of pulp. And then a bunch of pepper. So, this is for crab legs. But I'm going to take it and put a little pepper in each one of them. Make sure we have it in there. And we made 10 and not 12. So we had 20 ounces. Now let's fill that one up a little bit more, and that's it. All right, guys, that is it for my ginger turmeric blast for my immune boost daily. I'm gonna drink one a day. I have 10, so I do that, and then I do the tea that I talked about in my last Sprouts video, where I got the tea and I got the turmeric and ginger, my Sprouts haul. So yeah, I have not done one today, so let's do one together and see how strong it really is. I take it straight to the head because ginger is strong, the lemon juice is strong, so it's a kick. It's a kick, so cheers. I need the tops on it so I can shake it up. I drink the one that's not full all the way. Spicy. Not bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye. Drink these for immunity boost. These are ginger and turmeric shots with lemon juice. Ginger and lemon turmeric shots.